the next generation Maybells. Ganon. Okay, so once again, we have here our main cast of What Lies Beneath. One by one po, of course, message muna to all of our friends who are here tonight. Starting things off with Race, go ahead.
Hello everyone, good evening. Thank you so much for coming. We hope that you get to enjoy the show as much as we enjoyed making it. And yeah, thank you for coming.
Yes. Okay, Kuya JM.
Hi everyone, salamat po sa pagpunta, salamat sa oras. Sana hindi kayo masyado ng traffic. And power, sana hindi kayo ma-traffic. Enjoy niyo po sana and help us spread the word. Thank you.
Jameson.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you guys enjoyed the first 3 episodes of What Lies Beneath. And I hope you guys are excited as we are. So enjoy.
Jake Cuenca.
Yes, good evening everyone. Please help us spread the word. October 17 pa sa Netflix, What Lies Beneath. October 18 on I Want, October 20 on Free TV. And of course, gusto ko lang magpasalamat din sa mga editor natin. I heard they're all here tonight. Mapapansin nyo, napakagaling ng editing ng show. So, I want to give a special heads up kasi the editors of the show are so brilliant and you're gonna see it. So, thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone! Maraming salamat po sa lahat na nandito ngayon. Finally, nandito na po tayo sa araw na to. Mapapanood na natin yung first 3 episodes and we're so excited. Sana po ay ma-enjoy nyo din. Salamat po.
Yes, maraming salamat po for being here. Excited na rin kami mapanood kasama ninyo ang first 3 episodes. At sana po you help us spread the word. October 17 on Netflix, napapalabas na yung first episode. October 18 naman sa I Want, and October 20th on all kapamilya platforms. So thank you guys for being here.
Yes, hello, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Nasabi naman na nila lahat, pero we really appreciate your presence. Excited na rin kaming mapanood kasi first time rin namin mapapanood with you. So sana magustuhan nyo kasi we really worked hard on this show. This isn't an easy show. Ito, may nag-angkas pa dito para makarating. Papasok sa kanya.
Hindi po ang gas joyride po yung sinakyan. Makaabot lang ako dahil katulad niyo, sobrang excited ko din. I'm so excited. Gusto ko talagang maabutan ang unang episode, pangalawang episode. Kaya talagang umarangkada na ako, umangkas na ako. But I hope you guys enjoy watching our series, What Lies Beneath, and help us spread the beautiful word about the beautiful series. Maraming salamat for your time tonight. Enjoy everyone.
Yes, thank you so much to our lead cast. Okay, quick photo op muna before